Hi there, Mrs. Trossel here. I'm back in the science lab. Today we're talking about hurricanes, and it goes with our standard, make a claim about the merit of a design solution that reduces the impact of a weather-related hazard. And today we're talking about our extreme storm hurricanes. And we're going to ask the question, where are the strongest winds in the hurricanes? And I want you to consider why that is important. So you're going to pause the video right now and you're going to predict the answers to questions 1 and 2 on your Google Doc before you watch the video. So over here in your Google Doc is called Hurricane Winds, and you're going to answer the question number 1, predict where do you think the strongest winds of a hurricane are located. And you're going to mark one of these answers. Is it in the eye? Is it in the outer rings, the middle rings, or close to the eye? And I will admit to you that when I first looked at this question, I guessed one thing, and after the experiment I realized another answer. So make your prediction about what you think, and we're not going to go back and change our prediction. We're going to learn and see how we've grown. And then your second answer is going to be to why do you think this. So think about the answer that you did for number 1 and type in your reasoning for why you answered it that way. So pause your video and put those answers in. We're going to do a hurricane in a bowl today. If you want to join me in this experiment, you need to get a large round bowl, some water, a ping pong ball, actually 2 ping pong balls, and blue food coloring. If you don't have these items, that's fine. I have them with me. So first we're going to stir the water counterclockwise and see what happens. The water is spinning, and you can see that there are ripples going through the water. Next, we're going to add 2 ping pong balls. I want you to watch the speed of each ball and decide which one is faster and which one is slower. And think about where that is located in our hurricane. You should be noticing that the ball around the center area is moving faster than the one on the outer ring. We know that the eye of the storm is calm, so that ball is on the eye wall. Now we're going to add some blue food color. I want you to look for the eye as it develops in the hurricane. I want you to watch the rings grow and spread out, and then notice the speed at the eye wall and then the speed of the outer rings. You are seeing that the rings around the eye of the storm are moving faster than the outer rings. Now that you have seen the hurricane in the bowl, I want you to make some conclusions. Now you're going to go to your Google Doc and you're going to answer questions 3, 4, and 5 on the Google Doc. Today we talked about hurricanes, and we considered the question, where are the strongest winds in a hurricane? I want you to think about this. Why is it important to know the strongest winds are at the eye wall? What could people do with that information? I want you to add your thinking to your Google Doc. I've enjoyed our science time today. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time.